microphone actually, but the box is different. I'm using some different box here. Planning to open this soon. Yeah, microphone package, very nice. I'm going to open it. Let's open it. So you can see this manual is given. Manual aleni the Digitech wireless microphone app installation and user guides. So I'm going to open it. So what are the things are available? This is the jack. The jack we can use to connect to the transmitter or receiver. So this is a charging cable. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಚಾರ್ಜಿಂಗ್ ಕೇಬಲ್. ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಹೆಡ್ಫೋನ್, ಆಡಿಯೋ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಡ್ಫೋನ್ ಇದು.